Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix to avoid interruption to your subscription and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So if you try to click on manage payments and after that you want to verify your payment method or try to add a new payment method and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this tab. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to turn it off again. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you can also restart your iPhone. And after restarting, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on name or Apple ID. And after that, you have to click on media and purchases. And here you have to simply click on view account. And after clicking on view account, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that this kind of interface will appear in which manage payments option are available. So here you have to simply click on the manage payments and after that what you have to do, you have to simply add a new payment method or remove that payment method which requires verification. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to try to verify that payment method which is required the verification. But if you are unable to do so, what you have to do, you have to simply remove that payment method and after that you can simply add a new payment method which you can easily verify. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.